Hi everyone, welcome back to day 2 with our book, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. All right, friends, if you were here in the classroom, we would talk about listening responsibly. When you listen responsibly, you look, but you don't talk. That way you can hear everything that I'm saying. Pretty simple, isn't it? So today we're going to reread our story. We read stories more than once so that we can remember how they go and we can talk about them. I want you to listen carefully for something you may not have heard the first time, or maybe it's something in the illustration that you didn't see the first time when we went through the book. We are going to stop a couple times to talk. All right, here we go. If you give a mouse a cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, do you remember what he asks for next? Tell somebody at home what he asks for next. Go ahead. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. Did you remember that it was a straw? Nice work. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Looks like he's got some milk on his face. Then he'll want to look in the mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks in the mirror, he'll notice his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. Now remember, trim means just a little cut. And he definitely only wants nail scissors because regular scissors will be too big. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. This mouse can come to my house anytime. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff a pillow a few times. Remember, that means just squeeze it. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. Do you remember what happens next? Go ahead and tell somebody at home what happens next in the story. That's right. Looking at the pictures will get him so excited that he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign or write his name on it with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back and look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him or help him remember that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk, and chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, what's he gonna want? He's going to want a cookie to go with it. You're right. All right. Let's see. All right. So at the end of the story, the mouse wants a cookie to go with his glass of milk, right? What do you think might happen next? Sometimes we like to think about what might happen after the story's over. The characters keep on going. So what do you think might happen after he asks for his cookie? Turn and tell the person next to you. So I'm curious, did you say it would start all over again, or did you think he would veer off and start doing other things? All right. I'm going to give you one more question, and this is the one you're going to write about in the discussion board. You can have a grown-up type for you, or you can record a video. Okay? So, I want to know, if you gave the mouse a ball, what do you think he would ask for after that? So you get to come up with what he would ask for after you gave him a ball. But I want to know why you think he would ask that. I want to know why it makes sense to you. So that's what you're going to write about today in the discussion. What would happen if you gave the mouse a ball, and what would he do after that? All right. Next, I will see you tomorrow for vocabulary. Bye, guys.